The world is shopping online. Big time, e-commerce is booming. It's a global phenomenon, changing how we buy and sell. Convenience is king. Customers love shopping from their couches. Businesses are reaching new markets. It's a win-win situation. E-commerce platforms are the backbone of this revolution. They provide the tools and infrastructure for online businesses. Two giants stand out in this crowded space: Shopify and Lazada. Both offer unique features and cater to different needs. Choosing the right one is crucial for success. Shopify is a global e-commerce giant. It empowers millions of businesses worldwide. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools. Merchants can build and manage their online stores. Shopify provides everything from website design to payment processing. It's a one-stop shop for all things e-commerce. Shopify boasts impressive statistics. It powers over 4.4 million businesses globally. It processes billions of dollars in transactions annually. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to everyone. Even those with no technical expertise can build a professional online store. Shopify's App Store offers thousands of integrations. This allows businesses to customize their stores and add advanced functionality. Shopify focuses on giving merchants complete control. You can customize your store's design. You can manage your products and inventory. You can track your sales and analytics. This level of control is invaluable for businesses. It allows them to tailor their online presence to their specific needs. Lazada is a leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia. It has a strong presence in countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. It caters to the unique needs of the region. It offers localized payment options and support. Lazada acts as a marketplace. Sellers can list their products alongside other businesses. It's a great platform for reaching a large audience. Lazada focuses on providing a seamless shopping experience. It offers fast shipping and hassle-free returns. This makes it a popular choice among consumers. Lazada also invests heavily in marketing and promotions. This helps sellers reach a wider audience. Lazada's mobile-first approach aligns with the region's high mobile penetration. Lazada's strength lies in its deep understanding of the Southeast Asian market. It leverages this knowledge to provide tailored solutions. This makes it an attractive option for businesses targeting this region. Lazada's focus on customer experience is another key advantage. It ensures customer satisfaction and fosters loyalty. Section 4, Shopify versus Lazada, key differences. Shopify and Lazada are both powerful e-commerce platforms, each offering distinct features that cater to different needs. Let's highlight some key differences. Shopify provides more control and customization, making it ideal for businesses wanting to build a unique brand identity. On the other hand, Lazada excels at reaching a large audience, making it great for businesses targeting the Southeast Asian market. When it comes to pricing, Shopify's approach is subscription-based, where you pay a monthly fee for access to its services. In contrast, Lazada operates on a commission model, where sellers pay a percentage of each sale. Shopify's global reach makes it suitable for businesses targeting international markets, while Lazada's regional focus makes it a specialist in Southeast Asia. For businesses seeking control and customization, Shopify is a better choice as it allows you to build a unique brand and tailor your online presence. However, if reaching a large audience in Southeast Asia is your goal, Lazada's marketplace model and marketing efforts can significantly boost your visibility. Section 5. Choosing your e-commerce champion. Choosing the right e-commerce platform depends on your specific needs. Consider your target audience, business model, and budget. If you prioritize control and global reach, Shopify is a great choice. If you're targeting Southeast Asia and prefer a marketplace model, Lazada is a strong contender. Shopify empowers you to build a unique online presence, giving you complete control over your store's design and functionality. Conversely, Lazada provides access to a massive customer base in Southeast Asia, with its established infrastructure and marketing support that can accelerate your business growth. Ultimately, the best platform is the one that aligns with your goals. Research both Shopify and Lazada thoroughly, exploring their features, pricing, and support. Making an informed decision will set your e-commerce venture up for success. Choose wisely and conquer the exciting world of online commerce.